How Iran destroyed the dream of Israel as an unbeatable military power, a strategic perspective. For decades, Israel has projected itself as an invincible military power in the Middle East, backed by cutting-edge Western technology, particularly from the US. Israel built a reputation of swift, surgical military strikes and overwhelming deterrence. However, Iran's evolving strategy and resistance doctrine have seriously dented this image, especially in recent years. Here's a breakdown of how Iran has undermined Israel's claim to being unbeatable militarily. 1. Shifting the battlefield. Asymmetric warfare. Israel excelled in conventional warfare, but Iran shifted the game to asymmetric warfare through proxy militias, cyber tactics, and long-range drone and missile warfare. Hezbollah inflicted serious damage in the 2006 Lebanon war, showing that even a non-state actor, backed by Iran, could withstand the Israeli Defense Forces. IDF, Hamas, and Islamic Jihad Gaza have turned Gaza into a pressure point where Israel, despite superior firepower, struggles to achieve lasting military victories. Iran introduced new generation drones and precision missiles, challenging Israel's famed air superiority. April 2024, Iran launched hundreds of drones and missiles directly toward Israel, a move previously thought unthinkable. Though many were intercepted, Iran demonstrated strategic depth and long-range striking capability, something Israel had not faced on such scale. These attacks exposed vulnerabilities in Israel's Iron Dome and Arrow defense systems, shaking the myth of complete Israeli air defense invulnerability. Iran's leadership, especially the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps (IRG), embraced the ideology of resistance until victory, a long-term psychological and strategic war. By sustaining multiple fronts, Lebanon, Syria, Gaza, West Bank, Yemen, Iran drained Israel's ability to focus on a single conflict. Israel is now in a state of permanent readiness, which wears down morale, increases defense budgets, and erodes the unbeatable image. Iran has challenged Israel in cyberspace, striking at critical infrastructure. Several Israeli firms and facilities have been hit by Iranian-linked cyber attacks, turning technological supremacy into a battleground, not a guarantee. Israel's military action in Gaza and the West Bank have brought international criticism. Iran capitalized on this, winning the narrative war in many parts of the global South and Muslim world. The image of Israel as an oppressor rather than disciplined army. Despite years of airstrikes in Syria, Iran remains embedded there close to Israel's northern border. This persistence shows that Israel's surgical strike approach can't uproot Iran's regional strategy. This axis includes Hezbollah, Iraqi militias, Syrian loyalists, Yemeni Houthis, and Palestinian factions. It shows that even if Israel defeats one actor militarily, another rises. Iran has created a hydra-headed challenge to Israel's dominance.